Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to save your data when watching YouTube videos. And remember this, or note this: when you save data, you're not going to get the full quality of the video. If you want to see it clear, you have to what you have to like ignore that. If you want to see it anyway, anyhow, then you can turn it on. And this, when you turn it on, it's going to help you to what to it's going to help you to save some of data to use some in a future time or another time. So let's start. So when you go to your phone menu, just search for YouTube, and YouTube is why, so it will be down below. As you can see, this is it. So let's tap on this app. So tap on it. So when you tap on YouTube, what you're going to see is this. You will be moving around YouTube, and you are going to see this, which is YouTube featured, and it says want to save mobile data. Data saving mode makes it easy to use less mobile data. So when you want it, then you tap on show me. So when you tap on show me, it's going to bring you here. So what you have to do over here is to tap on what? Data saving mode. So just tap it. Everything is going to turn on over here. So as you can see, reduce video quality. So if you don't want to reduce video quality, you just turn it off. If you want it to reduce it, just turn it on. And also, if you want to reduce download quality, you can turn it off. If you want it to be on it, then you can turn it on over here. So if you don't want to reduce the smart download quality, then turn it off. So you can turn all this off. Do you get me? To upload over Wi-Fi only. So when you tap on it, then it means you're going to use, when you tap on this, it means you're going to use Wi-Fi to upload videos over here. Do you get me? So that you can turn it on and turn it off, or turn it off. So when you turn all off to the data saving mode is going to turn off, as you can see over here. So it has to be on. Do you get me? So this is how to turn on data saving mode on your mobile phone on YouTube. Do you get me? So it's simple. When you can find this this on your YouTube account or on your mobile phone on YouTube, when you switch to YouTube, just go to the top right corner over here. After that, go to settings. When you go to settings, go to general, and when you go to general, you're not going to see anything. So go back and tap on data saving. So when you tap on data saving, this way you're going to see it. Do you get me? Yeah. So when you tap on it, all this is going to turn off. But when you turn it off, it means it's going to turn off. So that's how it works. So when you turn it on, it's going to save your data for you to use in a future time. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks. Bye.